Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about few things that you want to stop avoiding when you actually get started with your online business, especially with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to cover everything in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin. So I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started with today's topic. So people come to online world not to just build an online business. They just want to get out of their rat race. If they are doing a job, or if they are doing traditional business, if they need some extra cash, they come online and start searching for quick ways to make money. And if they pick up affiliate marketing in order to get started with what people, their mindset is it was me who was back in I just wanted to make some quick cash once I came online. So affiliate marketing was the best way for me to get started, so I'm still sticking with it. But what happened was my main goal was my instant goal, I would say, was to make quick money. So I always focused on how can I make some instant cash. So this was my goal, and what I did was I stopped doing all the things, and I stopped learning new things that are actually required in order to make big money in the long term. So I stopped doing all those, and I started focusing on those short-term making money strategies. Guess what? I did not even succeed with them, and I did not even do the things that I was supposed to do in order to build a long-term business, affiliate marketing business. And even I'm not reaching there as well. So I lost so much time in this. So I just wanted to make this quick video where I wanted to tell you you want to stop focusing on making money when you're actually getting starting out. So you may say me that's weird, right? I came to online world to make money, but you are saying not to think about it. So here's the thing, you don't want to focus more on making that short-term making money strategies. You want to think on building that long-term business and making big money there. So it's not going to happen overnight. So it's going to take some time, it's going to take some efforts. You got to accept these things, and you got to follow the proven strategies that can actually help you make money in the long run, not instantly, not super fast. I see many YouTube videos $4,700 in 24 hours and blah blah. There are a ton of videos. Don't fall for those. So all you need to do is just accept the reality and stick with the proven strategies. Proven strategies could be simple thing, creating videos every single day, start building your list, start providing value to your email list and making those offers to your list. So this is going to build you in the business in the long run. So not those just don't focus on how do I get someone to click on my affiliate link. If the sale happened, well and good. If the sale didn't happen, so I'm going to chase back again more people to click on my affiliate link. So don't do this. Sometimes you may get results, but it's very rare that you get results in such a way. But however, there are strategies as well, to make quick money. I'll have created a video about that. You can go ahead and check that. But it's a proven strategy. But at the same time, you don't want to leave on the tasks or the strategies that you are working on to build your long-term business. So it's very important, because many people will fall for this, especially when they are beginning. So they don't understand the core concepts of marketing and how the long-term business works. So I'm trying to save your time. If you're watching this video, stop for following those quick making money schemes or some things. Just focus on simple things, that is creating content, building your list, start testing your ads if you have budget, or maybe start producing valuable, help somebody and try to find an audience that can actually get benefit from your product, and try to provide as much value as you can for free. And once the relationship is right, you can pitch your offer. Just tell them this product, I believe it can help you. So that is the way you want to build your business. And also one other major is, once you start producing content, you're going to start building audience as well. So it's not only going to be only one product that you can sell. You can sell multiple products, or maybe you can create your own product in the future. You can sell that as well. So this is the right mindset in order to go with your online business, especially with affiliate marketing. So don't fall for those quick making money, many videos 4,700 in 1 day, 2 day. Don't fall for them. It's gonna take some time. I know it's the reality. Maybe this is not the thing that you wanted to hear, but This is the thing you need to hear and you need to accept and start working on from day one, because once that day is gone, like, you are not going to get the time back. So it's very important that you focus on this. So this is a short video, like I'm trying to explain, I'm trying to document my journey on this channel, so that if anybody who is starting out, like, who don't fall for such things and actually start focusing on the real things that can actually bring you money in the long run. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you're enjoying my videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you're looking to get started with your online business in the right direction, be sure to check out the first link in the description. That is program created by my mentor, that is Work with Sebastian, that will actually help you, guide you in the right direction to build a long-term business successfully. And if you want to connect with me personally, you can just email me. I'll leave my email address in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.